Hello, this is Stoneman from Tech Tips with Stoneman. Today we're going to show you quickly how to set up a new Time Machine backup in macOS Ventura. Requirements will be an external drive, preferably one at least twice the size of your internal drive, but you need one at least the same size of your internal drive to hold all your data. So what we're going to do is, first thing we're going to do is insert the drive into one of our USB ports. This will mount on the desktop, as we see right here. Once we see that mounted, we're going to click on the apple in the top left. We're going to go to System Settings. Once we're inside System Settings, we're going to go to General. Once we're inside General, we're going to select Time Machine. Once we're in Time Machine, we have this dialog here. Time Machine backs your computer for 24 hours and keeps local snapshots past 24 hours. You do have various different options inside Time Machine, which we'll talk about in 1 minute. We're going to click on Add Backup Disk and type in our administrator password for this computer. We see our disk here, which is untitled, and we're going to click on Setup Disk. This will erase your disk, so it is recommended to have a disk dedicated for Time Machine. You have the option here to encrypt your backup. What that would mean is you would set a password on this hard drive in order for it to back up. The challenge of that would be if you forget that password, you will not have access to your backup. On this particular instance, we're going to not encrypt our backup. We're not going to set any disk limit usage. That means we could set a limit of how much data is actually stored on this drive. We're going to hit for none, as this is a dedicated drive. We're going to click on Done. This will prepare the drive for backing up. It is now prepared and ready to back up. One other thing to look at, we have options right here. Big one would be backup frequency every hour. You can change that from every day and every week. I would recommend every hour. The other thing is backup on battery. So if this is selected, it could drain your battery life a little bit if the drive is plugged in, but the computer will back up when it is on battery power and not plugged into power. We are going to select that in this case. We're going to click on Done. Now, in the next 33 seconds, it will start a backup. We could also hold the control button down and click on the drive, and it'll say backup to MacBook Pro now. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you wish to have any other topics covered by you, please leave a comment in the description and we can go through that. Stoneman, Tech Tips with Stoneman. Goodbye.